Welcome back to our EVA session. You must have seen the previous session. In that we have completed the chapter number 7, Teeth and Tongue. And I have given you the introduction of the next chapter, that is lesson number 8, that is houses then and now. Right? And I have shown you the video also, one sportive video I have sent, and I hope you all have seen that video. Now today we are going to start the new chapter houses then and now, and we'll learn about it कि पहले के टाइम में houses कैसे होते थे और अब के टाइम में houses कैसे होते हैं. As I gave you the homework that you have to ask from your grandparents कि पहले के टाइम में उनके घर किस तरह से होते थे, वो किस तरह से रहते थे. I hope आप सबने अपने grandparents से पूछा होगा. Now you must have know about, अगर आपने वो चीज़ पूछी है तो आपको पता होगा कि पहले के टाइम में घर कैसे होते थे और अब किस तरह के घर में हम रहते हैं. Right? So today in this session I will be telling you about the different types of houses. Then we will start reading the chapter. Firstly we will learn about the different types of houses. Okay? Now listen it carefully. Before starting the chapter, I want to tell you the password of the day. Password is story. Story is like a floor, or we can say it the level of some building. It can be your first floor, second floor, third floor. These are the stories. Story, okay? And then next, I'm telling you about the types of houses. There are so many types of houses. As अभी हमने in the previous class, in third class, आपने ये read किया था about the houses. There are some different types of houses. I told you some are the permanent houses, temporary houses, and some are the special houses. I told you. In the third class, हमने ये chapter read किया था. Now it is houses then and now, because we are talking about the earlier houses and now houses. So firstly, what is house? House which protect us from harsh weather, cold, rain, hot, heat. So we all need shelter to live. We all need house to live. Correct? So houses are why do we need house? Because house protect us from the harsh weather, cold, heat, rain, and early people like live in the caves, or because उनको नहीं आता था कि घर कैसे बनाते हैं. So as the technology started and they start making the houses, so like this man started making the house. Okay, and some people they don't have houses, so they make some temporary houses to live. Now see here, the first type of house is about the kacha house. See, the kacha house is not so strong. Kacha house is not so strong. It is just we can say we need to repair it time to time. So kacha house is that it is not so much strong. It is like these houses are made up of straw, mud in the houses, all the four walls made with the help of the mud, and wood and leaves of the trees like neem or kikar. So from these things kacha house made. So these houses are made up of straw, mud, wood and leaves. This was about the kacha house, and generally these houses were like not now we can say, but in some villages it is there now still. Kacha houses अभी भी कुछ villages में है, but nowadays all are living in the pakka houses. Now what are pakka houses? See, pakka house is a strong. It is a strong house and it is also known as a permanent house. इसको हम permanent house भी कह सकते हैं. It is also known as a permanent house. This is a very strong house because it is made up of, these houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel, tiles or marbles. So pakka houses are made up of these strong things. So it can be a permanent house. हम इसे permanent house भी बोल सकते हैं, because pakka house made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel, tiles and marbles. So how many types of houses I told you till now? Two types of houses. First is कच्चा house which we can find in the villages, और पहले के टाइम में इस तरह के houses होते थे when our grandfather or grandmother was young in that time. And the house is made up of straw, mud, wood and leaves. And then pakka house. Pakka houses are the strong houses. We can say them as a permanent house also. And pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel, tiles, marbles, glass also we can add on. Now look at your homes. Like if you will go to a construction site जहाँ पर घर बन रहा है, there you can see all the things are using. They are using bricks, cement, iron, steel, tiles also on the floor, marbles and glass like for the grill we are using. So everything we are using in the pakka houses. Nowadays we are living in the pakka houses, right? Now let's learn about the next type of house. For that, see another book. Yes, students, now the next type of house is the single story building. Single story building is a building that is a separated part that consists of ground and the roof only. That will known as a single story. Okay, story as I told you the password, that is a floor. एक floor को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Story. If we are talking about the single story, then it will be a separated part that consists of ground story with a roof. जिसकी सिर्फ एक roof होगी. Okay, ground story with a roof. So this was about the single story building. Now if I am talking about the multi-story building. Multi. What is the meaning of multi? Multi means multiple, right? बहुत सारे. So it is just about a multiple. So there are multiple stories in this building. A building which have multiple stories. Which have stories means floors, or we can say a level of building, right? So level of buildings, there are so many levels of building. That building will be known as multi-story building. And it that buildings are tall and they have many floors. And we can say in a single floor there are so many houses. If in single floor there are so many houses, if a building have 5 floors, then so many houses in a single building. That is a multi-story building में बहुत सारे क्या हो जाएंगे houses. Clear? Again, multi-story building have multiple stories and it is tall and have many rooms and many floors. In one floor, in each floor we can say there are many houses. Correct? About the multi-story building. Now the next type of house is bungalows. Bungalows are the type of houses which are very big and it have many rooms. Bungalows में बहुत सारे rooms होते हैं and in the bungalows there are so lawns like some gardens, different lawns, and you can say garages also. And in bungalows in some bungalows there are swimming pool also. So the houses are very big in size. And if I am talking about the Haveli, we can say it is a very big house, also known as a Haveli. So this was about the types of houses which we can say permanent. Now if I am talking about the temporary houses, हमने ये third class में read किया था about the temporary houses. Temporary houses are those houses like the people, those who don't live at the single place, उनको बार-बार they move from one place to another to live. Okay, so for them the houses like wheel caravans, and we can say the house like houseboat. Okay, so these are the some types of houses. I can tell you one more house. Tents, wheel caravans, houseboats or tents. These are the houses which are known as temporary houses. We can shift them from one place to another place. Clear? This was about the permanent houses and temporary houses. I hope it is clear about this chapter that I told you about the kacha house, pakka house, single story building, multi-story building, bungalows, haveli and temporary houses. children? Now children, we will read the chapter. Now open your book and chapter number 8, houses then and now.
Yes students, now everyone open page number 38 of your book. We will read this chapter now. Okay, so houses then and now. In this chapter a girl name is Nitika. One day Nitika asked her grandmother that what kind of house she lived in when she was young. Okay, so most people lived in villages and built kacha houses. It did not cost much. It does not cost much, ज़्यादा कॉस्ट नहीं होती थी उस चीज़ की, एंड इट वॉज यूजुअली मेड बाय फैमिली मेम्बर्स देमसेल्व्स. और उस घर को कौन बनाते थे? फैमिली मेम्बर्स. Cow dung mixed with mud was used to make the floor. Cow dung is like the waste material of the cow, that is known as cow dung, and it is mixed with the mud and that was used to make the floor. Clear? Now this would keep the insects away. Just because of that they are using the cow dung with the mud. And as you can see here, this picture is of a kacha house. Okay, this house is being constructed and this is a kacha house picture. So now this would keep the insects away. They used mud to build the 4 walls. They are using that mud to build the 4 walls of the house, and strips of wood were joined to make a frame. एक frame बना हुआ है. In this picture you can see this frame and fixed on the 4 walls. 4 walls पर उसको fix कर देते हैं. Straw and leaves of trees like neem and kikar were placed on the frame. उस फ्रेम के ऊपर रख दी जाती हैं so that termites and would not harm the wood. So that termites would not harm the wood. Termites are the, जिसे हम कहते हैं बिल्कुल एक दीमक जैसे छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं जो वुड को खा जाते हैं. So old gunny bags were placed on these leaves. These building materials were covered with mud to make the roof. अब इस बिल्डिंग मटेरियल को किससे कवर करके रखा जाता है? मड से कवर करके रखा जाता है जिससे एक रूफ बन जाती है. सो कच्चा हाउसेज वर नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थे. पीपल नीडेड टू कॉट द वॉल्स एवरी वीक. उनको हमेशा हर वीक इसको कॉटिंग करनी पड़ती थी. दोज हाउसेज ऑल्सो नीडेड रिपेयर फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. हर टाइम टू टाइम उनको रिपेयर करने की भी ज़रूरत होती थी. Clear about this, and next we will read in the next session. Till then just read this chapter properly. Page number 38 you will read only today, and that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.